What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the Snapchat backup on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up the Snapchat just like this. So after opening the Snapchat you have to go to your profile. So after going to profile you have to go to on your settings. You have to click on the settings option in the top right corner. After that you have to scroll all the way down and you have to click an option called my data. You have to click on it. So after that what you need to do, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to turn on all the option on just like this. You have to check mark all the options on, then you have to click on next. So after clicking on next, what you need to do, you have to select the time period that you want to see the backup of. I want to see my last week backup, that's why I'm clicking on last week. If you want to see the backup of 4 to 27, you can see that. So after selecting the time period, what you need to do, you have to put the email address here that they will send the backup. Then you have to click on submit. So after submitting the request, they will send you the backup on this email address. Then you have to log into your Snapchat account from there and you can see the backup of your Snapchat app from there. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.